Alright, welcome back. As you can see, I'm trying out our code that we built in the last video, and you can see our cat is really moving. It's kind of nifty and it's hitting the heart. Yeah, it is hitting the heart. Okay, yes. Now our cat is hitting the heart. However, right now it's not adding any scores up for us. Okay, so we'll need to add the score variable. My name is Charles, and that's what we'll be doing in this video. We'll be making some progress, adding the score variables and actually telling the cat what or telling our game what to do whenever the cat hits the heart sprite. Alright, you're welcome to this video. So I'm going to take a break on running the program, and we're going to put some more blocks for the cat. Alright, cute kitty cat. Okay, so for those set of blocks, the first block would be the when green flag clicked block. Now the reason why we'll need that block is because we would be we would need these things to happen as soon as the game starts. Okay, so right now, whether the game starts or not, the cat can still move. Okay, so can you see that I am just pressing the up arrow, the right arrow, the left arrow, and the down arrow? Okay, that's because we didn't ask it to happen only when the green flag is clicked. Alright, now this should happen only when the green flag is clicked, when the whole game starts. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is to specify what's going to happen when the cat hits the heart, okay, or touches the heart. Now remember from that video where we did the touching the octopus touching the star sprite, we had to do the picking of our blocks from sensing. Okay, that was the first block, and we had it somewhere there. Let's just keep it. We said because it's a conditional thing, in other words, it doesn't happen all the time, it only happens when a condition is met. We would come to control and select the if block. Okay, then we would put the touching block inside the groove meant for it. You can see the groove lights up when we bring the touching block close to it. I mean, Scratch is a real beauty, don't you think so? And once you drop it, Scratch puts it in there neatly for you. Now remember, we're going to update this and change it to touching hearts. Now you see we can also check for buildings. Okay, maybe we'll add that later, but we're going to touch the hearts for now, and this is how our scores will be increasing. Whenever we touch the heart, it increases. Okay, now let's see if we have any sounds in here. Alright, we have the pop sound. Okay, so let's say anytime the cat touches the heart, we'll hear a pop sound. Okay, so we go to sounds and we select start sound pop. Okay, alright, we'll just pop once. Okay, anytime it touches the heart, we'll pop once. Then we need to add a score variable. It's urgent. Okay, so we're going to simply click on make a variable this time, and we're going to type SCORE. Okay, and we'll click OK. Make sure it's for all sprites, okay, and that it's visible, so you have the check box there. Okay, then remember what we're going to do. We're going to start our score from 0 all the time. Okay, so we're going to set score to 0. Alright, now after setting score to 0, then we can now look out for anytime the cat, remember we're coding against the cat now, it's selected here. Okay, anytime the cat touches the heart, play the pop sound, and we're going to change the score by 1. How about that? Okay, now right now variable is the one that's selected, so we're going to change it to score. So we're going to change score by 1. Now this if statement or if block should not happen only once. It should happen as long as the game is on, and our best bet for that job is the forever loop. Okay, so the forever loop does a neat job for us. Now the forever loop will ensure that this happens all the time. So let's neatly put it in there and click. Let's see how our code plays out now. Are we ready? Let's see the code play out. Okay, so listen out for the pop sound. Cool. Okay, I need to touch it. Nice. Okay. I missed it. Oh boy, I missed that. Oh, okay, that's cool. Our game is coming up now. Nice. Okay, don't go down. Okay. Okay, let's not go down too much. Oh, I missed that. That's bad. Okay, so our game is taking shape right now. As you can see, our cat, the pop sound is playing, and the heart is really getting on my nerves right now, but it's all good. We're having fun, right? So yeah, so you can see we're touching the heart, and if you notice, we're touching the heart severally, so that means we get extra points for each time we touch the heart. Okay, now what we can do is to have a wait somewhere, so the if statement is not checked all the time. So the pop would be just, once in a while. Okay, so our wait block is right here. We're going to put it right after the if statement. So let's see the difference. Good. Okay, all right. Okay, nice one. Nice. So the wait is really doing a good job for us now. Okay. The heart is really giving me some tough time here. Okay, so you can see our game is taking shape now. Alright, now if we want to add a level of difficulty to this game, we would try to make sure that the cat does not touch the building. Let's try that in the next video. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, but for the meantime, I think my cat is making some progress. Okay, so let's see what we do in the next video. Okay, see you then. Bye bye.